this monsoon season, you're still looking for the perfect outfit that you want to customize. So we are presenting to you the perfect set of Munga Tussar fabrics for your cohort sets. So welcome to Fabric by Singhania and let me get started. A beautiful Munga Tussar fabric for you. Now the cool part about it is that it has digital print over which there has been embroidery work done. So it's a very unique kind of fabric work that's been done on this, and it's perfect to create that cohort set that you're looking for. If you're going for any dark shades, this kind of maroon wine color would look really perfect. Now if you take a look at all of the work that has been done on it, it is very minimal, yet if you take a closer look, it has a nice texture to it. It's very rich, and all of the work on this is in nice pastel shades, so it gives a very different and unique touch. So you can create a shirt and a pant, or even if you want to create a short kurti and a pant, that kind of a cohort set would be perfectly created with this, and we've got 2 or 3 shades in this kind of fabric. Now another Munga Tussar that we've got for you here is in a nice pastel shade, and it has a nice multi-color to it. If you take a closer look, it's got shades of yellows, blues and pinks, which has been done very subtly on the fabric, and there has been a little bit of digital print over which there has been threadwork embroidery done, which makes it look very different and unique, like I said. So this also would be perfect to create a cohort set, be it for menswear or women's wear. For any kind of summer looks or monsoon look you're going for, this Munga Tussar fabric would be quite breathable on you, and the texture also would be very rich for any holidays or vacation. Now another Munga Tussar we've got for you is in a beautiful shade of maroon color again for you. Now this also would be perfect for a dark shade of cohort set you're going for with Munga Tussar, which is a little bit more soft and breathable for you. Now if you take a look at the work that has been done on this, it's beautifully done in a nice cross-stitch embroidery, which looks really gorgeous. You can take a look at all of those roses and leaves that have been stitched across this fabric with a very minimal border. So you can create a nice kurta also with this for any casual wear or for your office wear too, or you can create gorgeous cohort sets with this kind of fabric. Because of the color itself, it will look really bright and beautiful on you. Now here what we've selected is a raw silk fabric. Now this is a bit different from the other fabrics that we've chose. Now this one is in a nice pink shade, a little bit lighter pink shade, which is perfect if you want to create any women's wear kurta or a short tunic. Even a cohort set will look really different and unique with this kind of raw silk fabric. If you take a look at it, it has a nice small booty work that has been done over the body of this fabric with nice silver zari that's been used with a little bit of violet shade, which is very minimally seen across this fabric. Nice pink color raw silk, perfect to create that kurta. Even for a menswear outfit, if you want to go for something unique and different, you can create a shirt with this, or you can create a nice casual kurta too. Now this fabric again is in a beautiful wine maroon shade, which looks really pretty and perfect to create any kind of cohort sets for your vacation, holidays or any kind of other occasions for a casual wear. Now if you take a look at all of the embroidery work, you can see that there has been beautifully elephants stitched across the birds, trees, and it gives a very nature scene which is done across the fabric, giving it a very different and unique texture. Now this is a very rich color which is perfect for any kind of brown skin tones because it would really make you stand out, and it's a very unique shade. You can see all of the border work that's been done, perfect to create a nice menswear kurti or a women's wear kurti. Even if you want to create any kids wear cohort sets, these kind of fabrics would really make you stand out. Now this one that I've selected is a very nice shade of royal blue color, which is perfect for any kind of women's or men's wear outfits. You can create a gorgeous cohort set, or even if you want to go for a shirt, this kind of fabric would look really good on you. Now the nice part about it is all of this very minimal embroidery work done across it, a nice booty kind of design. It's been done in floral work, and you can look at the border as well. It's very minimal and very small, but the border is perfect if you want to create a very casual kurta for yourself, be it for workwear or be it for any kind of day out occasions. This kind of fabric would really make you stand out, and since it's Munga Tussar, it's a little bit more softer on your skin and it would be breathable during this season. Now what we've got in front of you here is a beautiful mustard yellow color Munga Tussar. This one is quite unique and is always being demanded of in our store because of the design that you see across it, which is very different and unique from the other fabrics that we have. Now if you take a look at all of the work that's been done, it's in beautiful animal work that's been done across it with a little bit of hunter, deer and lion as well, which has been stitched across this fabric, giving it a very wildlife effect to the fabric. Perfect to create any kind of menswear kurta, or even if you want to create a beautiful cohort set for yourself. These kind of fabrics would make you look really different and unique. Since the base color is a nice mustard yellow, all of the work that's been done is nice shades of orange and red and green shades, so it makes it look really different and unique. Now what you see here is another shade of dark green color which I've shown you earlier in a nice wine and maroon shade. We've got another Munga tussar with the same kind of design work done in dark green shade. Now this dark green Munga tussar is perfect to create a menswear kurta, women's wear kurti, or even if you want to create a beautiful co-ord set for yourself. As you take a look at all of the embroidery work, there's been trees, elephants, birds stitched across the fabric with a beautiful body on this and a very minimal border work. Perfect to create any kind of ethnic wear. Even if you want to go for an Indo-Western look, this would be perfect to create that shirt or a co-ord set too. It's a nice light green embroidery work with dark green, giving it a beautiful contrast, and it is perfect for any kind of occasion. Now another Munga tussar we've got for you is in a grey dark bluish shade. This is a bit more neutral in base color, and it would be perfect to create any kind of simple casual wear outfits or work outfits too. You can customize this into a kurta, you can customize this into a shirt as well if you're going for a different kind of look. Now all of this has been digitally printed across it with very minimal embroidery that you see in yellow shade done across the fabric. The rest of it gives a very nice textured look, and because it's Munga tussar, it's a bit breathable, perfect for this season as well. And you can take a look at all of this geometric patterns that has been done across the border very minimally, which gives it a perfect touch and is perfect for menswear out. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, like and comment for any details. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on our social media handle. If you want to know more about our customizations, you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1.